Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something that can be a bit confusing for some, writing an invitation letter for a US visitor visa. So let's go to the computer display and I will show you how you can write a nice invitation letter. What is an invitation letter? An invitation letter is a document that you, as the host, write to support your friend or family member's application for a US visitor visa. It basically tells the US Embassy or the consulate that you are inviting them to visit and that you will be responsible for them during the stay. Here is a breakdown of the key information you need to include in the letter. Inviter's information, inviter's full name, inviter's address in the US, inviter's immigration status, whether he is a US citizen or a lawful permanent resident or a green card holder, inviter's contact information, telephone number and email address. Then you have to include the visitor's information, visitor's full name, visitor's full address in their home country, visitor's relationship to the inviter, and then you have to give the trip details, exact dates of your trip and the purpose of your trip, and whether you will be staying with the inviter or you will be staying in the hotel, and whether you will be sponsoring them financially or the visitor will be sponsoring himself during the stay. So let's go to the computer display and I will show you how you can write a nice invitation letter. Welcome to my computer display. This is how you will write your invitation letter. This is a sample of the invitation letter. 3 June 2024 to Niaz Anwar, Al Garden Community, Dubai. These are the made-up names. You can write your name and your address accordingly. Dear Niaz Anwar, with this letter, I would like to invite you, my friend, to visit me and spend your vacation in the USA. As you can see, the inviter is showing his relation with me. He is my friend. And if your inviter is your relative, so he will change the relationship accordingly. He will mention my brother, my sister, my mother, my brother, whatever is the relationship. You will pay for your expenses such as the round trip airfare plus your medical insurance and your personal expenses. In case your sponsor is going to sponsor you financially as well, so here you will change the words that I will pay for your expenses, and then he has to provide you additional documents. You will be staying at my home at 136 Ocean Street, apartment 86, Lynn, Massachusetts 01902. I have enough room to accommodate you throughout your stay. You are planning to stay of 10 days and you will fly from Dubai Airport to Boston Airport and back, and you will stay with me. I'm sending all the required documents for getting the necessary tourist visa. The documents which my inviter is sending me is his scanned copy of the passport, proof of his ownership of the home or the tenancy contract, and the proof of employment. And then Niaz Anwar is being me, so I have to provide few documents as well, which are my passport and the rental contract of my apartment, and then the proof of my employment. And then below there will write, sincerely, Motasim Qureshi, he is the inviter. 138 Ocean Street, apartment 86, Lynn, Massachusetts 01902. Telephone number and then the email address of the inviter. So this is a simple and good sponsorship invitation letter. If you need a soft copy and you want to tailor it according to your situation, leave your email address in the comments. See you. Bye bye.